Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete chat and call history for a single contact on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to locate the specific conversation with the contact whose chat and call history you want to remove. Scroll through your conversation list until you find the person you're looking for. This could be anyone from your frequent contacts or someone you haven't spoken to in a while. Once you've found the conversation, press and hold on it. This action will trigger a menu with several options for managing that specific chat. By holding down on the conversation, you're telling Viber that you want to perform an action on this particular thread, rather than just opening it to view messages. After holding down on the conversation, you'll see a menu appear with different options. From this menu, tap on Delete Chat. This option is specifically designed to remove all the messages and call history you've had with this contact from your device. It's important to note that this action only affects your side of the conversation, so the other person will still have access to their copy of your chat history. Once you tap Delete Chat, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is Viber's way of making sure you really want to delete the conversation, as this action cannot be undone. The confirmation prompt prevents you from accidentally removing important conversations that you might want to keep. In the confirmation message, tap Delete to confirm your decision. This final tap completes the deletion process and permanently removes the chat and call history with that specific contact from your device. The conversation will disappear from your chat list, and all messages and call records associated with that contact will be cleared. And that's it. You've successfully deleted the chat and call history for a single contact on Viber, keeping your conversation list clean and organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.